Hi, it's Kevin Bates here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the installation and configuration of a client node on the notarization blockchain. And for that, I first visit an admin chain, and it presents me with a neat web page that tells me where to download the software from and how to install it. So I've already downloaded and extracted this master.zip file from GitHub, and it's here in this folder on the left. So now I'm just going to follow the instructions. Run install.sh. It should actually say that we run that with sudo. There we go. And that'll churn away for a while. So now what it's doing is it's downloading various libraries and packages. For example, it's getting the correct version of Python here. Earlier on, it was updating all the libraries. And so really we just have to wait here for a bit. It's also opened some ports on the firewall to ensure that the blockchain node can actually reach out onto the internet and connect to other. Right, so Python's been installed. Now it's downloading all the various packages that Python needs, and that means the basic install should be done. So now, because I'm running this client node for the first time, I need to sign up, and the admin node gives me the exact command string I need in order to do that. And if I run this, it is now contacting the admin node, registering the new address for this particular client that I'm running on my local machine, and then it should fire up if everything goes well. And yes, there we are. So now I am in the client node administration page, and this is the key thing to look at. That there is my blockchain address. That effectively is my public identity on the blockchain that I use in order to prove that I'm myself. My client software has the private key for that, and I can sign things with that private key, and then the public key can be used to verify that I did actually sign things. So that's the installation of the client software.